Today we're going to learn about inverse functions. Any linear relation described by a function has an inverse function. So this is a linear relation described by a function. Therefore, by definition, it has an inverse. How do we solve for that inverse? There are a couple steps, and I'll take you through them. The first step is you're going to take the original equation and replace f of x with y. So we're going to have y is equal to x. Then you're going to swap the y and x variables. So it's going to be x is equal to y. Then you isolate for y, but we've already done that. And finally, you replace y with f of negative 1 of x. We see that the inverse function of x is still x. Now, let's try the second problem here. Again, we're going to replace f of x with y. So we're going to get y is equal to x minus 1 divided by 2. Then we're going to swap the x and y variables. So we're going to get x is equal to y minus 1 divided by 2. And then we're going to solve for y. So multiply both sides by 2. So 2x is equal to y minus 1. And now we're going to add 1 to both sides. So we're going to get y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now let's replace y with f of negative 1 of x. And here we have our inverse function. The inverse of x minus 1 divided by 2 is 2x plus 1. And let's try this last one here. Y is equal to 4x plus 12. Swap the x and y, so we're going to get x is equal to 4y plus 12. Now we're going to solve for y, so let's subtract 12 from both sides. X minus 12 is equal to 4y, and divide by 4. Y is equal to x minus 12 over 4. And now we replace y with f of negative 1 of x. So this is our inverse function.